Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unbagging for you. This unbagging comes from Paintsomeway. They asked if I wanted to show some more products, and of course I did. And I have done several unbaggings for this company, and I really like them. They have a great array of images. They have all kinds of different just different diamond painting items to choose from. So before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. And to all my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing, and I hope that you all enjoy my videos. So all right, I am going to pull this one out first, and I honestly don't remember which one this is. Oh, yes, I do. Okay, so, and I'm also going to say sorry if y'all hear my fur babies in the background. They are playing, and they're being noisy. So, y'all may have remembered that I have shown this one before, because I accidentally, this is the very first time I have ever, out of all the diamond paintings that I have, this is the very first time that I accidentally ordered a duplicate. But it is one of the gorgeous girls. It is a 30 by 40. She has got 19 colors, and it does have DMC numbers. And as you can see, it is a Christmas image, and she is got two Christmas trees, and they've got some lights on them. She has got, I think this is a cookie, a Christmas cookie. I don't remember, but I think she's sitting in snow, and she's got her little stockings on, and very sticky. And it comes with a regular toolkit, and then it has all your drills, which are round. I was just looking because this one actually says that it is a 30 by 40 on there, but it also has the canvas number, and it has the DMC numbers on the bags. So that's pretty neat. So as you can see, there's yellows and oranges, grays, some browns, black. They're kind of muted, but I will bring you down a little closer. And the drill field is very clear. I'm not going to have any issues with that. So what I thought is I would put this, well, this, let me back up here. This canvas is $4.99. Is that correct? Yes, $4.99 on Paintsomeway's website. So what I thought about doing with this one is, if you've been following me, I am doing a random act of kindness box every month, and I thought what I would do is put this in the December random act of kindness box, because I already have one. Like I said, I don't ever, I have got a lot of diamond paintings, and this was the very first time I'd ever doubled up. So I was kind of shocked at myself for doing that. But it's a gorgeous image. I love these little dolls. And it has a thumbnail up at the top. Schematic on both sides. And like I said, it's got 19 colors in it. But I think she's very, very pretty. So if you would be interested in receiving this, in a random act of kindness box. Just leave me a comment below and let me know. Alright, so the next thing that I got were some stickers. And these stickers come with a regular toolkit. And there's the colors. They're round. Blues, pinks, some reds, greens, orange, white, yellow. Just about all the colors. And I thought these were really cute. And these, whoops, I thought that was in a bag, but it's not. Okay, so these are $2.99 on Paintsomeway's website. But you can see there is a panda bear. There's 8 stickers. But I thought they were very, very, very cute. They are very clear, and they're actually a lot bigger than what I thought they would be. Very sticky. And this would be something cute as like a stocking stuffer for the kids. But I thought they were very, very cute. I don't know why here lately I've actually been doing, well, I haven't done them yet, but I've been ordering stickers, as you're fixing to see. But I thought they would be really cute for something, you know, quick and simple to do while you're watching a show, maybe. They're easy to move. You can take these in a car. You can take these anywhere. If you've got to go to family members or something for the holidays and you don't want to pack up your huge canvas, this here would be great. It's a great idea to just pick something up like this, and you can just put it in your purse or in your bag and just take it with you. Alright, so this one comes with a regular toolkit. And again, these are stickers, and they are $2.99 on Paintsomeway's website. Round. We have got just some pinks, yellows, there's some blacks, grays, orange, yellow, some brown, some pink, white, blue. 2 different shades of blue, it looks like. So these are cats. If I can get them open. And there are 9 stickers. But I thought these were very cute. And again, the drill field on these stickers are very clear. The stickers themselves are very clear. But I thought these were very cute. Very sticky. I know I have some cat lovers out there. So again, I thought this would be something cute for, you know, children or stocking stuffers, especially for anybody that has cats. That would be something cute. And again, it'd be very nice to do these in a car, or like I said, you could go in your living room and watch TV and just have something small to do with your hands. Alright, so the next thing I have are some more stickers. Regular toolkit. And the colors on these, we've got green. These are round also. We've got white, greens, blues, orange, purples, yellows, different colors of blue, white, red. Looks like maybe some purple in there, maybe. So these are panda bear stickers. I thought these were really cute. And y'all, I don't have a whole lot of stickers, and that's why I kind of was like, you know what? I think I'm just going to get a bunch of stickers. But very cute. These were also $2.99 on Paintsomeway. And I just want to say thank you to Paintsomeway for sending this stuff to me to show to y'all. Because it's very generous of them. But aren't those cute? Very cute. Love them. And for $2.99, I mean, that's not very expensive at all. I can get this back in the package. Maybe. Oh, come on. There we go. Alright. I've got 2 more things. And we have some more stickers. I just kind of went sticker crazy on this PR package. But that's okay. Regular toolkit. And we've got blues, greens, pinks, purples, yellows, white, and some brown. Pretty, pretty, pretty colors. And you get 6. You get 8 stickers. And we have got all kinds of sweet treats. Cupcake, popsicles, ice cream, suckers, gumballs, donuts, cake. Very sticky. And I'm standing up and I can see the drill field pretty good. So it's very clear. So again, $2.99 for a set of 8 stickers. 8 large, cute stickers at that. So far, what do y'all think? Has anybody else done these stickers? Do you like doing stickers? Would it be something that you would want to do? Would be, you know, just a set of stickers. And this is good for like kids, beginners, somebody who's not sure whether or not they're going to like diamond painting or not. Excuse me. This would be something good to give them as a Christmas gift, maybe. That way, you know, this is small, cute, and it doesn't take a lot of effort. And, you know, if you know somebody who doesn't diamond paint, they've never diamond painted before, you could give these to them. And, you know, they could, like, you know, do a small one. I mean, this is not... There's 8 different ones, so it's not like they're going to be committed to a great big canvas or even a 30 by 40 canvas. If they do a sticker and they say, "Ooh, I don't really like this, this is not my thing," well, then they can either give it back to you or they can do, you know, give it to somebody else. So I think it would be a great thing to do, would be for beginners. Even though they're cutesy and kitty, who cares? I like them. I'm fixing to be 51 next month. Okay, so I got another set of stickers. Regular toolkit. And these are round also. And we have got purples and blue and different shades of blue. Yellows and reds and pinks and greens. So what I got were some flowers. Because I didn't want them all to be kind of, you know, all the stickers to be childish. So I did get a set of more mature stickers, I guess you could say. But I thought these were very pretty. And you get several of them. And y'all, these were also $2.99. So you cannot beat $2.99 for stickers. Not for these. I mean, there's a lot. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 stickers, which is an odd number, but there's 19. You know, they could have just stuck one more on there to make 20, or took one. Hit OCD kicking in. Okay, so, but anyway, aren't they pretty? And they're very clear. Very clear, very pretty, very sticky. So, $2.99. So, what do y'all think? Like I said, I want to say thank you to Paintsomeway again for sending me these PR packages, because it's, you know, extremely nice of them to do that. They don't have to do that for any of us, but they do, and I appreciate it. So, I got a duplicate canvas, which is fine, that's okay. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 set of stickers, y'all. So what do y'all think? What do y'all think about this haul? I think they're cute. Very, very cute. Beginner friendly. Very budget friendly. And see, and that's another thing. If you know somebody that's a beginner or a kid, $2.99, come on. Even if they screw it up, you're out $3, okay? Just being real. So, okay, anyway, I will leave the description or the links to everything in my description box. And I hope you've enjoyed this unbagging. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.